Multiple choice question practice serial 71 to 80 for CS certificate level information technology. MCQ 71. The first question of this episode. Storage device is hardware that is used for option A, storing, porting and extracting data files. Option B, processing data. Which one is correct answer? Storage device is a hardware that is used for storing, porting and extracting data files or processing data. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. Storage device is hardware that is used for storing, porting and extracting data. Question 72. Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights or using magnetized medium. Which one is correct answer? Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights or using magnetized medium. The correct answer is A, using laser and lights. Optical device detects and stores data using laser and lights. Question 73. Optical device can hold data less than USB drive or more than USB drive. Which one is correct answer? Optical device can hold data less than USB drive or more than USB drive. The correct answer is B, more than USB drive. Optical device can hold data more than USB drive. MCQ 74. Compact disk is read-only memory or recordable and rewritable disk. Which one is correct answer? Compact disk is read-only memory or recordable and rewritable disk. Option A is correct. Compact disk means CD. CD is read-only memory. Question 75. A single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 50 GB data or 25 GB data. Which one is correct answer? A single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 50 GB data or 25 GB data. Which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B, 25 GB data. A single layer Blu-ray disc can hold 25 GB data. Question 76. HD video can be viewed by CD-ROM or Blu-ray disc. Which one is correct answer? HD video means high definition video can be viewed by CD-ROM or Blu-ray disc. The correct answer is Blu-ray disc. High definition video can be viewed by Blu-ray disc. Question 77. Digital versatile disk is capable to record, read, rewrite or read-only memory. Which one is correct answer? Digital versatile disk means DVD. DVD is capable to record, read, rewrite or DVD disk is capable to read only memory. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is A. Digital versatile disk DVD is capable to record, read, rewrite only. Question 78. Magnetic strip stores data with magnetized medium or laser and light. Which one is correct option? Magnetic strip stores data with magnetized medium or magnetic strip stores data with laser and light. Which one is correct? Correct answer is option A. Magnetic strip stores data with magnetized medium. Next question 79. Floppy disk is magnetic storage device or optical storage device. Which one is correct answer? Floppy disk is magnetic storage device or optical storage device. The correct answer is A. Floppy disk is a magnetic storage device. Question 80. Hard drive is secondary storage device or main or primary storage device? Which one is correct answer? Hard drive is a secondary storage device or main or primary storage device. Which one is correct answer? The correct option is A. Hard drive is secondary storage device. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.